Hey, this is Arpan Shukla and you are connected with Anti-Aging Club. It is a place where you may get authentic information for extending your health span, your lifespan and looking at least 10 years younger than your present age. We help you to make you believe and achieve that you can reverse your biological clock. We work on age reversal system which works on 4 pillars. Number 1, reversing your age mindset where you can see the changes and start believing it. Number 2, health and fitness. It is not those simple exercising concept but with different exercises and different approaches to get different results. Number 3 is anti-aging diet secrets. Which superfood is best for you to get longer health and longer lifespan? Number 4 is beauty improvement, which gives instant visual results. So in this series, we will only discuss those things, those activities and habits which are useful for your age reversal. Now, today's topic is what are the best and easy ways to express gratitude. So we will discuss 20 easy ways to express gratitude in your life. Gratitude works a lot for your anti-aging effect because it helps in eliminating stress, reducing stress hormone and generating more happy hormones in our body, in our brain. So less stress, more happiness. So out of 20 easy ways to express gratitude, the number 1 is write in a gratitude journal. This can be a fast and easy way but very much beneficial. Even writing a word or phrase counts a lot. Number 2 is how to be a great listener. We have to learn how to be a great listener. Give people your full undivided attention when they are talking to you. Number 3 is be appreciative. Tell your loved ones something specific that you appreciate about them. Everyone loves hearing nice things other people notice about them. So remember, this is very important point. Number 4 is smile. We are the lucky humans that we have got this quality. Only humans can smile. So utilize this unique quality for your own benefits. There are so many benefits of smiling, and when you are thankful, it gets easier to flash those pearl whites. Plus, smiling has some impressive benefits also. Number 5 is give away things you don't use or you don't need. If you are like me, there are probably things sitting in your closet taking up space. So why not allow someone to put that stuff for their good use? They will feel happy with that and they will give good vibes to you. Number 6 is write to a friend, whether it's a message or your voice note, whatever it may be. So express how much they mean to you in a letter or email or a voice message. You don't have to write a novel for them unless you want to. So keeping it short and sweet works just fine. Number 7 is practice patience. So be patient and stay calm, especially in difficult situations. Patience is a gift to ourselves and to others also. Number 8 is tip well. Being a waiter or waitress can be a very difficult job. Make sure you treat them properly with respect, with proper smile. Don't forget to say them thanks after their services. Number 9 is give genuine compliments. Find a positive quality or talent you notice about someone, then compliment them on it. Try to be specific. Number 10 is avoid being critical to others. After all, keeping a positive attitude helps everyone and no one enjoys being criticized. Number 11 is put it in writing. Write a story or poem or blog post about someone special in your life. Be sure to share specific examples of qualities you appreciate about them. Number 12 is give hugs. Give your loved one a big hug. But make sure if they are of the hugging type and tell them something specific that you love them and you are thankful for this. Like you can say, I love it when you take me out for the dinner, or you prepare a dinner for me when I'm tired because it makes me feel appreciated. Or you can say like, I am thankful that you bring me coffee in the morning because you know I am not a morning person. So all these kind of words you can say to somebody and make them feel special. Now the point number 13 is leave sticky notes. This is one of the easiest way to do. So drop an encouraging sticky note in the semi-hidden place for your loved one. This is a fun and effective way to express your appreciation for the people who matters a lot in your life. Now next point is point number 14, that is you may simply phone a friend, share something you notice about them that's awesome, and if they don't pick up your call, then be sure leave a voice message or simple a text message so they can listen or they can understand your feelings later. Next one is give the benefit of the doubt. So assume people have good intentions even if they say something that is tough to hear. People generally want the best for others and it helps to keep this in mind. The next one is don't judge. Avoid making judgment about others. Most of us have plenty of work to do on ourselves without worrying about what other people are up to. Thus, we don't know what someone else's experience is like unless we have walked in their exact pair of shoes. So you don't know all these things, so don't judge anyone. Next point is brag on your bestie. Tell others why your loved one or your friend is such a great person. Next one is be there for someone who is hurting. Everyone needs a supportive friend or a shoulder to cry on every once in a while time. Allowing them to vent about their bad days or cry over losing a loved one can be a blessing to someone who needs it. Next point is have a giving heart. Take a meal to a new mom or someone who is sick. Volunteer locally or donate to your favorite charity. But do something that gives you good feeling and ultimately that releases happy hormones in your body, in your mind, and that is very much helpful for your anti-aging effect, for your reverse aging effect on your body. Next one is be kind. Say please or thank you to the people. Showing kindness and good manners go a long way towards making people feel appreciated. I hope all these points you may find useful in your life. Gratitude can have amazing benefits for your life, and the best thing is that you don't need to go to lengths or commit huge chunks of time to express gratitude. A simple phone call or simple text or note is all it takes to show your appreciation to another person, and is the process you are enhancing two lives, yours and the person on the receiving end. So let's all grow a gratitude attitude and help yourself to look younger and live longer. So this was some small and useful piece of information as a part of Anti-Aging Look Younger Feel Younger series. In fact, useful information that you may start implementing from today only. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you want to know specifically about anything related to anti-aging, so feel free to ask in the comment section. Arpan Shukla from Anti-Aging Club signing off now. Have a nice time ahead. Thanks for listening. See you soon.